ka Jinglehkmen Khristmas kalong ka Jinglehkmen ya ka Jingwan long bre ukonu blai ban sius pa ya ka perthai ha kaleng ki jaka ka don ka Jingpen kre ka kerpang la kalong ha ka mensiam ni ha ka aka ka bapau sabar dakne ka jo ka Jingtmu ban rakhi pendon muram ya ka Khristmas ha ka arpu itri uno pra arja arpulai ka weina Islam ajing hikai pentebet ya ki khna ha ki babon ki training ka Don Bosco Technical School Shillong kala penlong ka Jinglehkmen pre Christmas ha ka walai simbanta songshet daki khna bat ki no hikai jongkan ka Islam Hakari si lai don lang ufa director ka DBTS ufa Saji ufa Arcadius Puwen principal ki brothers ki fathers ki nohikai bat ki khana school haba krana kari ngi ufa Saji ul ay ka khubor Christmas da ka bakentu ya ki khana bakin kot ka jingsha hikai tang ha school henrei ban kener lagi kiti ban yarap ya ki babon ki badon kam jirap kham tam hakani ka ayom Christmas
this time to help at home definitely also to help others. You are learning a trade. It also gives you to learn a trade. You will not restrict yourself only to that particular trade, but it gives you a mindset to do something technical. It's not only just a trade that you learn, but also give you a technical aptitude for doing things. My dear boys and girls, all of you are under training. This is what I wish for you during this holidays. That is, you know that you have this technical mind, develop it further by going out to help others. When you see a problem, you think about how to solve a problem, it makes your aptitude higher, or you are able to learn how to solve that particular problem. It makes you better. It gives you a more advantage to your technical skill. That's what we see how Blessed Mother, she moved, all of us can also move out of houses to others during these holidays and during the season of Christmas.
Nakaliang father principal haba ay Jingkran ka ngi ulapen kan mau baka Christmas kam don Jingmut ladang iklat yo Khrist haba Jinglehkmen Christmas. Kumta ngidon kam ban kan mau bau Khrist ulong ka pedeng jong ka Christmas uban kerku yang ngi bat ya ka yeng kasam da ka Jingsam lang ya ka Jinglehkmen Christmas.
Christ should be the center of Christmas. If you remove MES, no? If Christmas without Christ will be meaningless and senseless, no? MES. So what I want to say is, sometimes we forget that the center of Christmas is Christ. If you go to these archives, all this was sending Christmas card. If you don't believe me, you go these days. If you go, many of the Christmas cards has no Christ. There's no Saint Joseph, there's no Mary, there's no Jesus, except in Saint Paul, shop, that place. Otherwise, many of the other shops, you'll see a Christmas tree, you will see a Santa Claus, you'll see all these kind of things, but there will be nothing involved with Christ. Where actually the meaning is that, no? You just go and see, I was really shocked. Nothing connected with Christ or the salvation of Christ. So this is it to remind us that we should not forget that the center of our happiness, our joy of being together with family, whatever, is Christ. Therefore, when you go home, please remember, that the center of Christmas is Christ, and they share it together. When you go home, please do share your joy, your smile, whatever with your friends or your family members, especially with your mother and your father, with your brothers and sisters. Share your joy, your smile, and your time together with them. Please don't forget them, and do convey our regards and wishes to all of them.
Lapen song kon ya kani ka sngi da ki Jingrai ba ki Jingshat halor ka phang pedeng ka Jinglehkmen ya ka Jingwan long bre ukonu blai u Jesus Khrist ka Christmas.
for your fascinating and interesting dance. It really makes us to stretch our hands and legs. One day, Grandpa told his granddaughter, "Why today you look so beautiful, so pretty, so elegant, so stylish, just looking like a wow." His granddaughter replied, "Beautician student from BTS dressed and make up me for Christmas celebration." I call upon beautiful ladies from beautician to present us with a beautiful and elegant song.
Okay, before that, I'll just make a tale about you. Do you know who was the main teacher behind that dance woodwork technician? Prabhu Deva is none other than Sir Angelus.
When gather singers gather round, when I hear the festive sound, I want to join with them and sing. They sing a merry song, and we all sing along. A festive melody that tells us Christmas time is here. See the stars tonight, they're shining bright, 'cause it's Christmas time, and it's my favorite time of year. Christmas Eve, silver leaf, so excited, can't sleep. When the morning comes, church bells ring, and hymns sing. Sing a merry song, and we'll sing along. A festive melody that tells us Christmas time is here. See the stars tonight, they're shining bright, 'cause it's Christmas time, and it's my favorite time of year. It's my favorite time of year.
Christmas time, there's no need to be afraid.
At Christmas time, we're letting the light and we're by the shade.
It's
triumph, it's Christmas.